I'm teaching them both how to be best friends. Hey, Roger? Hey, Barnaby? See, you guys are best friends. You're both so cute. I'm going to be doing yard work today, so I'll maybe make a little tiny video on that. Hey, Roger, try and be friends with Barnaby. That's an eye for you. That's a big barn butt for you. Barn. Hello. Roger. Hello. I'm weird. Maybe we're gonna be doing some computer games. I'm trying so hard not to show my face. Maybe some computer games though. That'd be fun. Yeah. What do you think, Roger? By the way, in every single video, he's literally just sitting right here.